Okay, so the next chapter is chapter 5, which is on gases. So we've talked a little bit about states of matter, solid, liquid, gas, but now we're going to focus specifically on gases. And one of the first things that this chapter talks about is gas pressure. So, first, we need to talk about the properties of a gas. So, a gas can uniformly fill any container, is easily compressed, and will mix completely with any other gas. So, we sort of talked about that in the states of matter chapter. So, gases also exert pressure on its surroundings. So, for example, when you blow up a balloon, you exert pressure on the balloon and increase the volume. So there's a couple of different ways to measure pressure. Barometers measure atmospheric pressure. And manometers measure gas pressure by measuring the height of a mercury column. Okay, so because of manometers, the most common unit for pressure are the millimeters of mercury, which is abbreviated uh, lowercase m for millimeters and Hg, which is the element symbol for mercury. Another unit is torr, which is named after the person who discovered the manometer, and that is equal to the millimeter of mercury. Then there's also the standard atmosphere, which you're going to see a lot in your textbook, and the abbreviation is ATM. And lastly, the Pascal, which is abbreviated capital PA. The Pascal is actually the SI unit for pressure, and it's equal to 1 Newton per meter squared. And that's because pressure is equal to the force over the area. Okay, so when we deal with pressure units, we need to be able to convert between those units. So let's talk about some inequalities that you can use to do that. 1 ATM is equal to 760 millimeters mercury, which is also equal to 760 torr. 1 ATM is also equal to 101,325 pascals. So if you need to convert between those units, those are the equalities that you would use